Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check screen time on laptop on MacBook. So actually this is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you'll need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you'll need to go open System Settings, clicking on the icon with the little gear, and here basically you will need to scroll down list of settings until you will find Screen Time and click on it. So now here in this screen time settings you will see a bunch of options. You will need to go and click on the first one, app and website activity. Click on it, and basically here you can find every single thing about your screen time. So for example, if you choose today, you can see how many time did you spend watching your screen today, how many time you spent using your laptop, what websites did you access, or what applications did you use. You can also change it from showing only apps to showing categories, so you can check what categories did you use. You can also change the date to see what did you do in other, for example, yesterday or the day after the yesterday, before the yesterday, etc. So basically that is it. That is how you can check your screen time on laptop. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.